So hello and good afternoon. We are here in ICC Cricket Academy at this point of time. Team India is, they have started their proceedings as far as the practice session is concerned. All of the team is here. All the team members are here. Virat Kohli with his initial drills have a look, had a look of his bat. He was carrying 3-4 bats and he was having a look one by one. Rohit Sharma on the other hand having a good 15-20 minutes chat with Gautam Gambhir. Then after that Morne Morkel also joined in. Everyone is here, Shamikda. What's your takeaways? We are at the very start of the practice session, so haven't seen what the players are doing as of now, but all of them are here. Fans getting good moments as far as team is here. Virat Kohli gave them autographs. What you have seen as far as
See, I'm a bit startled about the curiosity with the Rohit. I mean, there's so much curiosity about Rohit,
yes,
even among the local fans.
Yeah.
That little kid Athar,
yes,
who was there, who was collecting autographs
in his bat.
Yeah. So even he was asking Rohit bhai aaya hai ya nahi. So there's so much curiosity.
Yes.
But we can confirm every player is there.
Yeah.
Everybody is there. They are not treating it as an optional session.
Yes.
It would be a high intensity practice session. It is just, they are just starting. Virat Kohli, as Rohit said, he was checking his bat. Rohit was having a conversation with Gautam Gambhir.
Yes.
But the focus, I think, would be on the fast bowlers because that is the only weak link in this side. So fast bowlers, and we have to keep an eye on Mohammad Shami.
Yes, all three of them went together. That's a good sign, All of them, coming from the dressing room area or, where they've kept their kids, they all came together, Arshdeep and Harshit Rana side in between. There was Mohammad Shami. I shared a picture also, and they were having a laugh. So this is good as far as the fast bowlers camaraderie is concerned. As Shamikda rightly said, yes, there is still strapping on Mohammad Shami's knee, but I really don't know that how serious that is. But we still have to see that how he bowled, the intensity specifically, because that's where the question arises. His speed, his intensity, and the kind of bowling he's doing in the nets, that we have to see. We have to see the equation also. Varun Chakravarti, looking confident. Kuldeep Yadav having a word with Ravindra Jadeja. All of them are here. Shubman Gill and Rishabh Pant. Again, Rishabh is also, smiling around. But we all know that the first choice wicketkeeper, as Gautam Gambhir said in the last ODI after the Ahmedabad game.
No, Gautam Gambhir has made it clear.
Yes.
That Rishabh Pant will have to wait for his turn.
Yeah.
KL Rahul is India's number one wicketkeeper batsman in this format.
Exactly.
And if, as and when Rishabh Pant gets a game, he will have to be ready.
Okay.
That Gautam Gambhir made it clear in Ahmedabad.
In Ahmedabad, post-match press conference.
At the
post-series press conference.
So there is no debate here.
Yes.
Rahul,
who will be the priority, whether it's...
KL Rahul is the starter. And
Okay.
he also made it completely clear that there would be no fixed batting position for KL Rahul.
Exactly.
Akshar Patel will be used as a floater.
Exactly.
Right.
So we'll provide you all the details as far as the Indian team's first practice session here in Dubai pre-Champions Trophy is concerned. You have to do just one thing: follow this platform, follow this page, and we will give you, as I said, that we will give you. It will be around 4:30 here in local time Dubai that they will practice, and we'll give you after that all the details that what had happened in the practice session. Till then, follow, subscribe, and do like the button. Do leave your comments about what you want, what kind of a coverage you want from here, and we will try to provide that. Thank you so much. Take care.